Yesterday, he was the one helping everyone else.
Good morning!
Hello!
Strong, active, always moving. To his grandson, he was simply Grandpa.
Yes! Way to go, champ!
I did it!
Life felt ordinary, exactly the way they liked it. Sometimes, a serious illness begins with something that seems small.
Are you okay?
Probably a kidney stone. I just need to drink more water.
The first explanation often feels like the right one, but sometimes it's only part of the story. The next morning, everything looked different. The man who never slowed down could barely get off the couch.
Henry.
I feel so tired.
Just yesterday, he was carrying mulch, helping neighbors, laughing with family, always moving. Today, he needs help just to stand. His speech is slower. His eyes keep closing. She wasn't comparing him to another patient. She was comparing him to yesterday.
Let's take a look inside. The real problem can't be seen from the outside. This kidney stone is blocking the normal flow of urine. Nothing can drain the way it should. When urine can't drain, pressure begins to build behind the blockage. Bacteria become trapped behind the blockage. With nowhere to go, they begin multiplying rapidly. As the infection grows, inflammation spreads beyond the kidney. Now the body's immune system is responding. Eventually, bacteria and inflammatory chemicals enter the bloodstream. This is how a local infection can become much more dangerous. From the outside, he still just looks tired, but inside, a dangerous infection is already spreading. It started in the garden, but urgency took over. Every second counts.
He probably just needs fluids.
Yesterday he was outside all day. Today he can't stay awake. He has a kidney stone. Something has changed.
That change is exactly what should raise concern. Sometimes dehydration is only part of the story. Sometimes, the biggest clue isn't a test result. It's the change from yesterday. Not every patient with dehydration has sepsis with a kidney stones. Don't stop at the first explanation. Ask, could there be more to the story? Recognize the change. Speak up. Speak fast. Ask, could this be sepsis?